What's up, YT family? So today is our family Christmas party, so that's where we are headed. That's where I'm headed. We as in me and Jalen. It is a ugly Christmas sweater pajama jam type of situation.
Turn up. Hey,
Jalen has on a whole onesie, and I have to do my makeup in the car, but this is what I have on.
This is what she got.
What I have on.
She got on the tights.
Just the best feeling tights ever.
And the
they
fur
feel so
boots.
good. And my fur boots. I love these boots. I wear them. Have to do my makeup, but red lips are popping. All right, y'all, let's go party. Let's turn up. Hey, turn up. Oh, turn up. No? Too soon? Okay. Fix my face, look a little bit better. It's just a little light beat, not a whole lot. A little makeup, a little blush, did my eyebrows, and yeah, let's go party. See what they got going on up in here. Party, party, party. It's not a whole lot of people here yet, which is cool. Look like just my immediate family. This is at the community center, not community center. This is at the clubhouse in the subdivision. So let's see what they got going on up in here. Party, 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 y'all. They got me locked out. Hi, I'd like to get in this party, please. Can I get in? Can someone please come open the door for me? Thank you.
Sure, let's go.
Great. Party, 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 party. I should have known I'd find you by the food.
I ate all day. I'm waiting on this.
What is that? I'm hungry too. Much better. Yes, much, much. We've got cupcakes. He's sparkly. He's lighting up like a, I don't even know what to call it. This is hilarious. Chicken salad sandwiches, I believe.
So what's up?
The drink line. I picked this one right here. That's my favorite.
Y'all ready? Let's go. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Y'all, Christmas party is over. I am too done, too done. It's time for bed and I am about to go to sleep. I can't even, yeah, I just want to close out this vlog. I really hope I'm sounding really coherent right now because I've had quite a few drinks, quite a few Santa's magic potions, which is Crown Apple margaritas, and those things really do sneak up on you. So I am safely home and ready to go to bed. So I will see you guys later. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. I'm trying to let some light up in here. There we go. I am heading out. As much as I try to avoid the last minute Christmas shopping, that is what I'm about to do. It is the Sunday before Christmas. And I have errands to run, but it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna beat everybody and I'm gonna get ahead of traffic. So I have 3 stores and thankfully they're all in the same plaza. So once I run to all these stores, hopefully I can get in and out, because one of them I did a pick up in store, so all I have to do is go pick it up in the line, and then the other 2 I should be able to be back before everybody else rises and tries to get there. So that is what I'm about to do. I don't know why I opened this up to talk to you guys, but it can stay open because it's daytime. I really want to say shout out to my friend Monica, right? She found these peppermint pretzels, which I have been looking for relentlessly and have not been able to find here in Atlanta. She's up in Missouri and she sent them to me in my Christmas box, so she said I could open my box and get my pretzels. Oh my gosh. Yo. The hot light at Krispy Kreme was on, so I had to stop and get me some donuts, okay? 'Tis the season to be jolly and fat and just do whatever you want to do. and eat whatever you want to eat. Yo, I am truly a fat kid. Like, when it comes to, I don't know, this Christmas season, I have been pigging out on sweets. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, I'm gonna really have to detox after the holidays. Between all of these peppermint pretzels, drinking peppermint milkshakes from Chick-fil-A, stopping by Krispy Kreme when the hot light is on. I mean, I don't know what my body is gonna be saying. Like, after the holidays, it's gonna be like, girl, get it together, because I gotta detox all this sugar that I've been taking in for the past month out of me. All right, thank you. Oh my God. They're not even hot anymore. They need to cut that highlight off. They fronting. Oh my gosh, they're right here finessing people for Christmas with the hot light. It's not even hot. I made really good on the home goods line. You see how empty it is? Winning. See, there's nobody here in line. And all I have is 2 rolls of wrapping paper. A pretty rose gold and this pretty silver and white. Because I like my wrapping paper to be pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is raining and it's cold. When I left the house, it was not this type of temperature. When I left the house this morning, it was clear. Now I'm out here freezing my butt off and it's raining. I only have one more stop to make and then I can go back home and shut in my house for the rest of the day. Hey guys, mission accomplished. I already went to all my stores. I am back home. Thankfully, I beat all the traffic. It was hardly nobody out. It just hit 11 o'clock, so whoo, I'm so glad I got up and did what I did. Now I need to cook breakfast because Jalen is now up and she's saying she's hungry, even though she could technically cook herself. But I'm gonna try to make some Grinch pancakes. So I think I have some green food coloring in the closet. So I'm gonna try to make the pancakes and put like some green food coloring in them, make them all festive, you know what I mean? Since it is the last weekend before Christmas, so hopefully I have some in here. Here is the here's the green food coloring right here. So I'm basically just gonna take a little bit of this and put it inside of these Aunt Jemima Complete buttermilk pancakes. You just add water. This is my first time making these little Grinch pancakes, so I think that's what you do. I think all you do is add a little bit of food coloring to them. So I will show you guys what they look like when breakfast is done. All right, they're cooking. They actually look pretty good. Looking good, looking good. At least to me anyway. At least they're green. This is what they look like and I'm so ready to eat. They look so good. I think they turned out fine. Little Grinch green pancakes.